Are you ready for the science experiment? Today, we're going to use an apple. Why an apple? Because we've been talking about trees and plants. And how does the apple grow? It grows from an apple tree. What is that? An airplane. You will hear some airplanes because I live near the airport, okay? So first we're going to cut the apple into pieces. Look what's inside the apple. Can you see the seeds? Remember that if we take out these seeds and we plant it on the ground, we might have an apple tree. We're going to put the apples in different containers, okay? See, it can be plastic container or it can also be a glass container. So today we're going to use the apple to learn about chemical reactions. Can you say that with me? Chemical reaction. And what is that? Is when something like the apple you mix with something else and the apple in this case will change, okay? And we're going to see what happens. And because of that, we're going to be using vinegar, water, lemon juice, and we won't use anything for this cup. Why? Because this cup is called cup control. Can you say that? Cup control. So we're going to use this cup and we're going to leave the apple like this with no liquid, with nothing inside, only an apple, okay? So we're going to pour, this means we're going to put the different liquids inside it and we're going to see what happens. What do you think is going to happen? Let's see. First, I'm going to put the vinegar. You put only a little bit, just enough to cover the apple, okay? We don't need a lot. Now, the water. An airplane again. Now we need the lemon juice. See? A lot of seeds. We're going to mix the lemon juice with a little bit of water, okay? So, here we got apple in vinegar, apple in water, apple in lemon juice with water, and only the apple. And now you need to wait. You need to wait, but you need to look closely. What do you think is going to happen to the apple? Is the apple going to stay the same? Let's see. What color is the apple now? Here it's white colored. And outside, what color is this? Yes, it's red, okay? What if you smell the apple? Yes, and you can try the apple also. It's very crunchy. Okay, we've already waited for 20 minutes after. 20 minutes or you can wait longer. So I'm going to show you what happened with every apple. See? This apple was the one in the control cup, remember? With nothing inside. What color is the apple now? See? It's starting to turn brown. This process is called oxidize. It's when the apple is in contact with the air, because in the air there's something called oxygen. So when something that we cannot see that is very, very small inside the apple touch the oxygen and it stays like that for a long time, then the apple starts turning brown color. What about the apple inside the water? See? It is also turning brown. So this means that the water, the one inside the water, looks the same that in the control cup. See, it's also starting to get brown. And why is that? Because the water also got oxygen inside. Let's see the one inside the lemon cup. Look, it's still white. See, this one was inside the lemon cup and this one inside the control cup. And what color are those? This one is white color and this one is starting to get brown. Why do you think is that? It's because the lemon got something inside that helps the apple to be white, okay? So it helps to stop the process, okay? Remember that this is called, when the apple turns brown, it's called oxidized, okay? So if you're going to eat an apple and we have a spare part, we need to keep the apple inside water and lemon. What about the one in the vinegar? Look, it is also starting to turn brown. Can we eat this? You can try, but it's going to taste like vinegar, okay? You can eat the one in lemon water, it's okay to eat. The one in water you can also eat, okay? So what did we learn today? We learned something that is called chemical reaction. Can you repeat it with me? Chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is when two things combine or they touch each other and something changed because of that. In this case, the apple that was white color, when it's in contact with the oxygen in the air, it makes the apple to oxidize. This means that the white part of the apple start to turn brown, okay? And what did we also learn? That if we put the apple inside lemon juice, the lemon juice helps to prevent that. It helps the apple to stay white for a longer time. Okay? I hope you try this at home and you can share later what happened in your experiment. See you on Monday. Have a very nice weekend. Mwah. Bye bye.